Hi students and families, this video is to explain Google Classroom and go through day 1 and day two's work in a student's view. Okay, so please watch this so that you're able to know exactly how to do this, and even if you don't understand after the video, feel free to call me. So first, when you go to Ms. Brisbane's class, you'll see this stream. I have disabled comments for this stream, so you won't be able to start a comment, but you can comment on something that one of your teachers posted. So if you see right here, it says add class comment. That's where you can respond to what me, or as you saw, Mr. Luna posted some things, Miss Triplet, Miss Richard, some other people might post some things that you can respond to. Students, you should be looking at the stream when you start class for math each day to see if I put any announcements. This is where all announcements. So as you see right here, I put an announcement for today up. Okay, I also have put one up yesterday as well. So you'll be able to see the most recent announcement. If something isn't working, I'll post it there. But this is where you need to start your math class each day, looking at the stream. Now, so that's the stream right here. If you can follow my mouse. The next most important thing is classwork. You're going to go to classwork. Each day, your classwork will be separated by the day. But the one important thing that some students are not doing, I posted these in order of the way I want you to complete them. So for yesterday's work, day 1, I wanted you to watch this first, then this, then karate math, then 3 times table, then think through math video questions. And I changed some things. I took some things out just because there were technical difficulties, but you need to go back today and make sure that you have completed everything for day 1. So we're going to start going through it. Okay. So the first thing is you should do on day 1, click on the assignment. It says watch the video, then answer the questions in complete sentences. So you should click on the video to watch the welcome video from day 1. That one is way longer than today's. Just some logistics, meaning some details so that you know what to expect during this virtual learning time. And then you're going to hit view question. So some things that some of you have been doing incorrectly is you should not be over here answering the question where it says add class comment. That's not where I want you to answer the questions. I want you to go over here where it says your answer. I'm going to edit because I already had turned one in, but this is my student account, but it says your answer. Over here is where you're turning in any question assignments. You should type in your answer and then you're clicking turn in, just like that. Okay. I don't want you over here. The class comments are not something that you won't get. It won't show that you turned in your work if you turn it in under class assignments. The only way Ms. Brisbane will get a notification that you turned your work in is if you put it over here where it says your answer. So always look in this box. If there's a document that you need to type in, it'll be in this box. Some assignments, just like this one, the morning check-in each day, you can click see classmates answers. And when you do that, then you'll be able to see all of your classmates answers. And if you want, you can reply to each individual answer by hitting reply. So all assignments, I won't have this feature necessarily, but all morning welcome video and questions I will. Again, you have to do this welcome video, watch it, and answer the question every single day because that is your attendance, okay? I know we're virtual learning. I know it's a lot going on, but we're as teachers, we still have to take attendance. So that's this part. Now, that's one type of question that Ms. Brisbane might give you. But we're going to go back to classwork. And if you recognize over here, each assignment has a different symbol. If it's a question mark, that means that it's just an open question where you'll be able to view your classmates' answers. You're just answering one question, usually after watching a video, okay? So after you do welcome day 1, you should do the next thing. What are you most excited about buying from the class store? I gave you examples. And here, in each thing, I have given you instructions and examples. Again, you're going to hit view question, and you're not going to comment over here where it says class comments. You're going to go over here where it says your answer. You're going to type your answer after you have typed it in. Let's say, and I asked for complete sentences. I am most excited about, spell error, excited about eating lunch with Miss Brisbane. Okay, period. And when you hit turn in, take a couple of seconds, and then it will have a confirmation turned in. If you want to edit it, you can hit edit and redo it. Okay, so that is again going over the questions. Now there is a different type of assignment too. So day one, karate math, you're looking at that video, and then you are answering the question. Okay, this is a check for understanding, making sure that you're watching the videos, making sure you're understanding. Same thing. Now, this is a little bit different. If you can see, these two symbols are different. That's a question mark. This is like a little clipboard. The clipboard are assignments where each of you will have your own document. This is the ones that weren't working yesterday. So on here, it says, watch the video, your 3 times table. And then you're going to click on the assignment. So if you want, you can click view assignment so you can see the whole thing together. Again, remember I told you over here in the box where it says your work is where you submit all assignments. You're not even, I don't want you to add class comments over here. So you click on the document, and if all things work, you will get a document based off of what Ms. Brisbane has already typed, and it has it here, and you're filling in the blanks, okay? Each student will have their own document. After you've done all of this, you fill it out. Let's act like I did all from 3 times 0 to 3 times 12. You go up here next to share and click turn in. After you turn it in, it looks like it's all good, okay? So that's an assignment. We're going to go back to classwork. Oops. Oh, I think it's switched out. It's switched out. Okay, here we go. We click it. Okay, here we go. It's all, each individual, you'll see it will say your name and then the assignment's title, and then turn in, and then it was, it's going to my teacher account so I can check it. So on here, after you've done that, again, the way you're navigating is you're going all the way. If you want to go back to the home page, you can go to the top where it says Miss Brisbane's 4th grade class. You're going to classwork, and you're going to do each thing in order. So as you see yesterday, this wasn't working, the Think Through Math questions. I've re-uploaded it. I have both videos so that you can see how to do your think points also, and you have your questions on there. So that's day one. Go back, even if you did some things on day one, go back. Some people's items have been deleted because I had to create new assignments, and I will reach out to you all to let you know. Now today is day 2. Remember, the question mark means it's just a question. You're going to watch the video and answer the question. So you're going to hit view question, and again, you're going to do it over in the box. You're going to do your 2 times table practice. I got it working this time. Your 3 times table practice, watch the videos, do the document. And then this is a little different for today. For today, we're going to start an autobiography project. You won't need to print anything if you don't have a printer. You won't need to buy anything. You're going to be using what is in your house. Most of us have cereal boxes. If you don't have a cereal box, you can use a shoe box. You can use anything, and we'll explain the details. But I don't want you to be concerned, okay? This is just a fun project to get is acting like it's the beginning of the year where we're getting to know each other. We haven't seen each other in a while, so it'll be nice to learn some new things. Okay, so in here it has the directions. You need to look at the cereal box autobiography Google slides first. Okay, so this is a little different. Some assignments will have Google slides, And this one, as you can see right here, is a view only. You won't be able to edit it, but you do need to go and look through each of the slides. I'm giving you all of the steps first, but you're only responsible for step 1 that is due this Sunday. Okay, so read through this, look at the pictures. If you have any questions, you can let me know. So after you go to the slides, Google Slides, you're going to go back and you're going to click on the assignment. We're waiting for it to open. And you will see all of the questions that you need to answer. Okay, I gave some examples for some of the questions, but you need to answer these in complete sentences. Well, actually, no, you don't have to answer in the complete sentences. If you see the examples, you can just write like your birthday, your first and last name, but you need to completely do this. Don't skip any questions. If you don't have an answer to one of them, right, I don't have a favorite color or whatever it is, okay? Again, we're building upon each step, we'll build upon the next or the previous one. So make sure that you are completing each work, each day steps, okay? And then after you finish that, you're going to be, some families asked about this. This just says work on Think Through Math for 30 minutes. And I have, if you first complete the geometry pathway, if you finish that, you're going to strip diagrams and equation pathway. If you're finished that, go to Texas 4 pathway, okay? And today and every day, I will be looking at when you complete lessons, and I will be adding your class dojo points. I've been trying to message people when on the lesson that you pass so that you know that I'm giving you those points, okay? So all of this is what you're responsible for doing. Again, if you did not complete, I don't think no one completed yesterday's work because you couldn't. We had technical difficulties. So make sure you're looking at days 1 and day 2. I'm not going to be adding a lot because we're still getting some people signed in. So day 3 tomorrow, you're going to watch the welcome video and answer the question. You're going to work on your 2 times tables. You're going to work on your 3 times tables. And you're going to complete any work that you did not complete from day 1 and day 2. Okay, our goal by tomorrow, by the end of the day, is to have everyone on Google Classroom, everyone logged in and completing each assignment for this week so that we can start afresh next week. Next Monday, we'll start with the place value, start with our regular lessons, having mini lessons. And it'll be a little bit more complicated, but it will still be fun. I'm going to try to make it as fun as possible. I hope you have an awesome day, and I will talk to everyone soon.